crafty kitchen. So we're gonna make bunny chow. First, we're gonna make it in a safe bowl. 1 bag of white chocolate chips. Are you just put a little in it?
Nope, we need the whole thing.
1/4 cup of butter. Half a cup of peanut butter. Even if you add too much oil. How can I put the peanut butter in? Put on the yolk. Get all that yolk in. Let's get all that. Make sure to get all that. Put it on the microwave safe bowl. Microwave it for 1 minute. Get it out of the microwave, mix it together. Put it mixed together, put it back in the microwave. Stirring every 30 seconds until it completely melted. I just all mixed together and once you the vanilla. Where's the vanilla? Then we mix. Take a large baggie. Thank you. And add 9 cups of Chex mixed to it. Wow, I was thinking what? More perfect. So we're gonna add the peanut butter mixture to the bag. I think I'll shake together 1.5 cups of powdered sugar in the bag.